start with our 5, feet nice and wide. Just take a soft bend in those knees, really engage from the core. Hammer curl, take it up and up. So the chest is open, collarbone is wide. Focus on the concentric and eccentric movement. So we're working in both directions. We twist, we take it, curl and down. Curl and down. Up. Up. Palms are up, halfway we bend, pulse, pulse. So halfway up. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 4. Halfway down, here we go, it's down, curl, curl. 8 more. 8, 7, 6. In 4, 90-degree bend in the arms, we rotate open and in. Open and in. So we're working right through those shoulders. Opening the posture for 4, 3, 2. Last one, hold it out, reach it out. It's out, in, out, in. Eight more, reach. 7, keep those shoulders relaxed. Last 4. Shoulder press. Here we go. Take it big. Up and down. Up and down. Keep those shoulders away from your ears. Lift. Up. Now double time. Halfway, we press it up. Up. Elbows are wide to the side. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 4. We're going to drop it into our flat back. Elbows in 90 degrees. Hinge forward from the hips, triceps. It's back and in. Back and in. Tailbone is lengthening. Keep the elbow reaching up towards the sky. 8 more like this. Squeeze. 7, 6. Collarbone is wide. Drop the shoulders away from your ears. In 4, 3, 2. Now last one, arms stay straight. Lengthen through the wrist. Numbers of the weights towards the ceiling. Pulse it up, up, up. Lift, lift. Hang on to that 8 more. Keep reaching long. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms reach forward. Keep that flat back. Roll the shoulders away from the ears for back flat. In. Take it open. In. Out. Open. Controlling both directions. You got 4, 3, 2. Last one. Back row. Pull the elbows up. Let's pull. 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 In. For 8. In 4. Standing tall, press the weights up, up, up. 8. 4. Now both arms together. We row. It's up and down, up and down. Elbows go higher than the wrist. Keep those shoulders relaxed. Lift, lift. Pressing the weights together, you get that extra work in the chest. Four more. 4, 3, 2. Now last one, arms are going to stay up. Reach them towards the sky. Bend the elbows back. So the elbows point towards the ceiling. Triceps, take it up and bend. So you can bring the gaze slightly forward here. Yeah, relax those shoulders. Breathe into it. You got 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, go into a full bend. So from the full bend, halfway up, let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax all the way down. We're gonna trade out our weights. I'm grabbing my 3 pounds. We're going back to that flat back for boxing. Elbows are in tight, waist are towards the shoulders. Right arm reaches forward, left arm reaches back. Long spine, you pull it in and switch. Reach, in, and reach. So flatten that back as far over as you can. Make sure you're never rounding. The abdomen lengthening from both ends of the spine. That front bicep should be right next to your ear, and the back hand should be at your waist or hip or above. Give me 4, 3, 2. Last one, you're gonna hold out long, both arms long, pulse it up and up, up and up. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, knee in center. Get a little bit longer, reach it out, pulse it up, up. 10 more, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Let it go, let the spine relax, shake it out. Rounding up, drop those shoulders, front arm raise, let's go. Take it up and down, up and down. So right in shoulder height. Strong through your core. Lift and down. Controlling both directions like you're moving through water. It's up. Up. Lift. Abs keep pulling back. Think light on those feet. You got 4, 3, 2, last one, hold, shoulder height, little pulses, up and below, up, up. Feeling that burn in the shoulders, give me 8, 7, now reach it out, long, long to the sides. Back down, side arm lift, it's lower and up, down and up. Controlling both directions. You got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, breathe in, 3, 2, get ready, we're gonna hold, we got pulses, let's go, pulse up and down, right above and below that shoulder height. Yeah, if you need to, you can always drop a little, take it out of the neck. Yeah, we want to let the traps relax, get into those delts. Last 4, 3, 2, hammer curl. Let's take it up, woo, up, up. Letting those shoulders relax. Curl, curl for 8. In 4. Shoulders towards the sky, we open wide and in, up and in, open, open. Lift. Exhale the effort. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. We're back to our hold. We got pulses. Up the elbow. Lift. Lift. Give me 8, 7, 6. 4, we got hug a tree. We're gonna take those arms out wide, circle it in, really hug that big tree. Let's go 10, and open, 9. If you need to drop the weights, you can do that. Yeah, even without weights, but keep moving. In, try to keep those elbows lifted. Woo, maybe 4 more. 4, 3, 2, now last one, bring the arms together. We're gonna pump it up right here. Pump it up, up. So as much as you can, bring those forearms tight, squeeze, up, up. Go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, reach it out. You got go, let's go, let's go. Sending you some energy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Woo. Hangover, hangover. Let the head go. Circle the arms in the shoulders. That is a really nice reset. Reverse the circle. And then gently place those weights down. Good job. Woo. Round it up. Shake it out, shake it out. Let's just stretch those shoulders for a second. So single arm across the body. I want you to drop that shoulder down and then ear to your shoulder. And then to get that tricep up and over, little lean away. And other side. Circle, drop down, and then maybe your shoulder. And up and over. Little side bend. Keep the shoulders dropping down, right? We don't want them up by the ears. Keep leaning down. Good, and then just big sweep forward and back. Breathe into it. Circle those arms back for 3, 2, and forward for 3, 2. Last one. Thank you guys. 10-minute arms. Woo, hope they're on fire. See you guys soon. Peace and love.